Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this when you are going to find your boyfriend or girlfriend filter on Instagram and how to use this filter. So to get this filter, visit the creator profile. Rock is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your camera tray. So check in his filter gallery and you will find this filter. Next, tap on it. You will see a preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So let's try it. So to use this filter, you have to press and hold the camera button. So let's do that. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.